If you are a diabetic patient, your family or friends, then this video is for you. You know the world 11% population suffer from diabetes. The myth is what diabetes. I'm Dr. Zafar Habib. This video is the answer. Diabetes is a chronic medical condition by elevated level of blood sugars. This occurs when this body either doesn't produce enough insulin, a hormone responsible for regulation of blood sugar, or when the cells doesn't respond effectively to insulin. Insulin allows cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream, providing energy for various body functions. There are two types of diabetes. Number one, type 1 diabetes. The result from the immune system attacking and destroying insulin production, beta cells in the pancreas. People with type 1 diabetes require long insulin therapy. Number 2, diabetes. Type 2 diabetes. You know, while 7% population suffer from type 2 diabetes. This is often linked to lifestyle factors, genetics, and obesity. In type 2 diabetes, body may not produce enough insulin or the cells become resistant to its effect. Lifestyle changes, medications, and in some cases, insulin is used to manage type 2 diabetes. Persistence, high blood pressure, or high blood sugar levels in diabetes can lead to various complications affecting the heart, kidney, nerves, and eyes. Managing typically involves maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, monitoring blood sugar levels, and when necessary, using medication or insulin. Diabetes requires lifelong attention and care. Effective management helps prevent complications and improve overall well-being. Regular medication checkups, a healthy lifestyle, and adherence to prescribed treatment plans are crucial for individuals living with diabetes. In the next video, I will tell you about the treatment and prevention of diabetes and how to survive with this. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.